We're at Palm River. It's 53 acres of restoration at East McKay Bay. In the city of Tampa, it discharges to McKay Bay, ultimately Hillsborough Bay, which is a large segment of Tampa Bay. I'm Tara Shiro. I'm an environmental scientist with the Surface Water Improvement and Management, or the SWIM section. We do water quality improvements, and we also do natural systems restoration. Historically, this site was just overrun with exotic vegetation and had minimal tidal connection. These 3 stormwater ponds, they take runoff from 436 acres of urban watershed, and they polish the stormwater that comes in, and it removes 517 pounds of nitrogen per year. Palm River is a district-led initiative. This project includes coastal ecosystem creation, restoration, and enhancement, also coastal uplands as well. Some of the species that were planted out here include canna, lilies, different types of rushes, and different types of grasses. The ponds were created through a lot of earthwork where we dug the ponds out with different grading for retention of water. And then we did bank stabilization through planting hydroseed and sod around the ponds. This project's jointly funded through the Restore Act, which is funded by DEP, also through TBERF, which is the Tampa Bay Environmental Restoration Fund, which is funded through the Tampa Bay Estuary Program and Restore America's Estuaries. It also has FDOT funding and the district funding. This site's really important for recreation, also for bird watchers and for the habitat for the animals. So a lot of people come out here and they like to see the fish in the ponds. It's a beautiful mosaic of uplands and wetland communities.